think this is a good sign. I do kind of look like a marshmallow. Here's the situation. Last time I was in here, we saw swarm cells, so I quickly, unplanned, unexpectedly made 2 beehives out of 1, which I'm very excited about because I would like to have lots of beehives, but now there's such limited activity, I'm kind of scared we're gonna have to add them back together. I guess if we do, that's okay. My plan is to look for a queen in here because we left this one with a queen and we confirmed that afterwards, and to see if any swarm cells have turned into a queen in this little hive, which I'm thinking it has not because there's very limited activity on the front. That's what we're gonna find out. All right, let's see what we see. Maybe we'll get a nice surprise. Yeah, that's not ideal. Tuh. There's nothing in here. Is that a wax moth? I bet you it is. Yep, ants and moths. Alright. Frame number 1. Ants. All the resources are gone. Frame number 2. Nothing. Oh, I'm trying not to be too sad. Well, that's probably the one that started it all with all the cells. Wax moth webbing, cells, gross comb, ants. Super depressing. I guess I don't know why I'm so bummed, because I could kind of tell that due to the fact that there was very limited activity up front at first, and then that kind of went to no activity. So although I am not surprised, I am super disappointed. So let's just see if we see something better in here. Why are they mad? Okay, looks good, sounds good. Okay, well, it is all relative, isn't it? Because I am happy that I see bees. I'm already saying success, success, we have bees. Okay, they're already drawing the frame out. Okay, all frames have some bees on it on the top, so I'm gonna say a little action is a whole lot better than no action. And I can see some bees in the bigger box down below, so let's hope for a queen and all good news down there. All right, the second box is looking kind of promising. Try a little smoke on this half. It looks pretty busy. Ooh. Now it sounds pretty busy. Ooh, it is loud, and I will take it. Compared to that last hive, this seems to me like a lot of bees. They've got drawn comb, which is good. They're on the sides, which is maybe indifferent, but it seems good. They seem a little mad, which is maybe a little bit of a good sign for them, not for me. I think they are looking good. They're drawing comb. There's lots of them, relatively speaking. What's on the bottom there? I don't know why there's so much on the bottom versus on the frame. I feel like that's not ideal. Whew. Okay, I'll take it. You see, I've lowered my standards. Usually I say, oh, I just want to see the queen. Today I'm just so happy I see bees versus no bees. Oh, I think this is a good sign. I see brood, which is good. Even better than only seeing bees. Capped brood. I hear chickens singing, bees buzzing. What is this right here? I'm going to point to it. What is this? A bad sign? I don't know if that, oh, I see cells on their side. Does that mean that there's not a queen after all? We'll say I don't see a queen, which is not unusual for me. But I usually don't see those little cells either, and I'm thinking that might not be ideal. Oh, this one looks good. It is heavy. There is something in there, which I feel like it's honey, but I really can't tell. Is it larvae, honey? I don't know. I think heavy is good. I would be so happy if I actually saw a queen just walking around town. Ooh. Is that honey? I think it might actually be honey. But tell me if it's not. Actually, I think it is. Look on the bottom. I think that's capped honey, isn't it? Or at least capped sugar water. Ugh. Okay, I'm having hope. I didn't see anything too traumatizing. I don't see the queen, so that's what I really don't know. I do see drawn out comb. I do see capped brood. I do see what I thought was honey, but I'm really not 100% sure what those dark cells are filled with. Maybe I'll notice when I get back to looking at the video. And then the only thing that makes me wonder a little bit are those little cells on the side. I am going to look through the video really good, maybe do a little research, ask a few questions on what to do about those, and take it from there. For now, I'm pretty much just happy to have a beehive still. Okay, I am calling it good enough for now. If you have any opinion or suggestion, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.